Okay, we're back here in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It looks beautiful out. I mean, doesn't look like it's gonna rain at all, so we should have the whole day to just get done. No problems whatsoever. So I got out to start the truck there, then remembered that I locked it and put the key in the dually, which is at the farm, because my dad is not here yet. So now we're just waiting for him to get here. Well, we finally got the keys for the truck. So we're just gonna let it warm up here and take this load to town. Actually get the day started. Now this key I left in my pocket instead of putting it in the truck. The sun's trying to come out. It's not gonna rain. Dad needed to go back to the farm. We had a loader bucket getting dropped off for our telehandler that we bought. And he's not back yet, so it's starting to sprinkle. I'm gonna hop in the combine while he's gone and try and get some more corn on the cart, because I just need one more truck to go to town. Yep, you move your meat and you lose your seed here. Well, we almost stole the combine from him. He's back though. He got back. If he didn't get back in time, I was stealing the combine. That was probably the fastest he's ever moved. He probably did 100 all the way home. New plan. I'm not going to take this last truck to town. I am going to unload this cart as quickly as I can and keep unloading him on the go until we have to stop. Tarp the truck. Oh, come on. Oh, this is lovely. Yeah, she's really coming down now. Beautiful. It is just running down the cab of the track.
We didn't need that.
Well, the rain has let up a little. I think there might be one coming again, but that's enough to shut us down for a little bit anyway. I may as well take a truck into town, and I guess he'll just sit here until it gets fit, if it ever does. Yeesh. I have to tell the neighbor I washed his truck for him. That should be the last time we need that truck. So Dad couldn't wait any longer. He's already started picking corn. Apparently it's okay, because he's already got a hopper for me, so. I'm already in 11th, man. It's getting rough. You gotta stop. Shut the combine off. We are going around some curves and hills. Anybody else's dad do this, or whoever the combine driver is? They put the cart in sticky situations. Unreal. It's always best to fold the auger before you go down the road. Okay, we got a long drive with this cart. We gotta head all the way over to the bin site off of this farm. It's gonna take us about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes from that farm to get to our bin site. So I'll just go ahead and edit out the drive because I know that's boring to watch. All right, we're here. It's a little tight. Gotta get out and get everything running. Open the tarp on the truck. Get the white started. This here is the PTO lever. This turns the auger on. That little switch turns the spreader on at the top of the hole of the bin. That spreader just kind of, as the corn hits it, it just spreads it throughout the bin. Pretty simple. The name of it is exactly what it does. Basically what we're doing here is we've got the truck set up to go down into the auger here. Then the auger's taking it up into the bin. And I'll just leave this run on a low idle and just keep running back and forth from the field and dumping in this truck as soon as I get enough. Gotta be careful folding this auger because there are power lines right there. Awfully pretty out now. Okay, so we are down to about 7 acres left. We don't think the bin's gonna hold it. Luckily, the elevator is still open. They're open until about 5. We've got about a half an hour to get there, so I'm gonna go ahead and load the truck, take one load into town, and then we can fill the bin, and we'll be done for the season. Okay, while that's airing up, I'm gonna go shut this stuff down because I left it running. I'm gonna be glad to not have to pull back into that entrance anymore. That is all that is left of 22 harvest. Not sure you can hold it on the combine. Okay, we are finally done. Oh my gosh. There's like 2 stalks standing there. We're not done yet. The combine could break down. Yeah, you're such a smart. Oh my gosh, what an idiot. Okay, now we're done. 22 harvest is done.
It's all on the end to make sure you got it.
Yeah. 22 harvest is done. Now we can start the YouTube channel. I wanted to start on the 23 crop season. So I just started filming right at the end of harvest. For some reason, it took way too long. Anyway, a couple days, 3 days. I don't even know how long we've been here now. We've had so many breakdowns, and I think we've been here 3 days, or 3 or 4, for 100 acres. And everything just kept breaking down. That's been the whole year. So 2022, great crop, great harvest. Everything broke down. That's the summary. Everything was broken. So anyway, on to tillage. After I go home and rest for at least a day or two. We still got to take down an auger and get everything moved home. Okay, well, we've been sitting here for, not kidding, probably about an hour now, trying to unload what we just finished because the spreader on the bin stopped working. And so it piled up on the stirrator, and so we're gonna have to go shovel that. But we still can't get it working. There's a wiring issue somewhere. I'm gonna dump this and we're just gonna have to shovel it off because we really don't have time to be messing around. We really need to get everything into the bin so that we can get the auger down, because we're supposed to have 60-mile-an-hour gusts soon, by tonight anyway, but that don't look good. So Dad's cleaning off his cab corn, getting every last drop. It's looking a little nasty. Oh man, lucky me. Oh, I get to take the beauty home. That's my vision. She's home and safe. Now harvest is done.